Iran's lethal fakour 90 air-to-air missiles and how they affect the balance of power in the Persian Gulf. Iran displayed a never-before-seen yet very familiar weapons system, the fakour 90 air-to-air missile. The platform bore a strong resemblance to the American-made AIM-54 Phoenix missile, the longest-range air-to-air missiles ever developed by a NATO country. Iran had in the 1970s acquired large numbers of the AIM-54, a missile designed specifically to be fired by the F-14 Tomcat air superiority fighter, which Iran also operated in large numbers. As the Tomcat's only export customer, Iran was the only country other than the United States to ever operate the AIM-54. Exports of what was at the time the United States' most advanced fighter in service were severely restricted, much as exports of cutting-edge technologies are today. The AIM-54 proved a critical asset to the Iranian Air Force during the Iran-Iraq War in the 1980s, and were a prized but limited asset due to the US arms embargo imposed on country in the aftermath of the 1979 Iranian Revolution. Several Phoenix missiles were nevertheless reserved for research and development, while others were reportedly sent to the Soviet Union for study. Iran's fleet of US-made combat aircraft were expected by Western analysts to be out of service within a decade due to severe shortages of parts. And this particularly applied to the F-14, which was both extremely complex and parts for which were extremely scarce internationally due to the scarcity of foreign operators. Iran was not only able to develop a domestic military aviation industry to sustain and produce parts for its fighters, but it was also able to reverse engineer and modernize one of the most advanced long-range missiles ever built. The Iranian variant of the AIM-54, the fakour 90, boasts several improvements over the original platform, including a superior guidance system, enhanced range and greater speed. The new guidance system is approximately 30% smaller, and based on the reduced weight of the more modern systems and potential for added propellants, the missile's range can be estimated to have increased by approximately 15% relative to the original AIM-54, allowing it to hit targets at distances of 220 kilometers. A superior fuel-grain composite could potentially increase this further.